Okay, I've been trying out a few different bamboo toilet paper brands lately, and I wanted you to check this one out from Ollie and Vince. All right, let's get into it. Like I said, this is the Ollie and Vince 100% bamboo toilet paper. And one thing I noticed right away is that it has a really nice balance of softness and durability. Sometimes you're not sure what to expect with bamboo toilet paper, but this one has held up really well for everyday use. I'm also loving the fact that it's made from bamboo instead of traditional tree-based paper. And each roll comes individually wrapped in recyclable paper. It gives the packaging a really clean look, and it's nice if you're storing extra rolls in the guest bathroom or on open shelving like I have here. I think it looks great and adds a really nice decorative touch. I just go ahead and store the rest away. Another thing I noticed is that it doesn't leave behind a lot of that little paper fuzz or dust when you use it, which is something I definitely appreciate. So, if you have an RV or septic system at home, this one is also designed to be compatible with those, which is another nice feature. It's 3-ply and really strong, really holds up to the test. Overall, I would say it's been a really easy switch, and I've really enjoyed using it. So, if you've been curious about trying bamboo toilet paper, this has been another really good option to have in the house. I highly recommend.